Value of time. Time is precious. Once it is gone forever. Time waits for no one. So it is important to make the most of the time we have. We should use our time wisely and not take it for granted. Time is a valuable resource that can never be recovered. Time management is a key factor in achieving success in life. Time should be spent on things that are meaningful and productive. Time should not be wasted on unproductive activities. We should use our time to build relationships, learn new skills, and growth. Making time for yourself is important to ensure that you have a healthy work-life balance. We should use our time to make a positive difference in the world and in the lives of others.